Okay, this is the new product, the VX-3000 from the TOA Corporation. This is designed for voice evacuation and public address use. The new product comes in three versions. We have the VX-3004, which is a 4-channel AB circuit, which can be used as 3 independent amplifiers with a hot standby amplifier, or with 4 amplifiers with 4 audio bus. We have the VX-3008, which has 2 amplifier slots with the option of a hot standby amplifier. And we have the VX-3016, which has 2 amplifier slots, single channel amplifier with hot standby amplifier. Configuration of these units, as said, has AB circuitry with the 4 independent amplifiers with 4 audio buses, 2 audio buses with the 8 speaker circuits, and a single audio bus with the 16 circuits. System configuration can be up to 32 units, giving you either 256 AB circuits or 512 individual circuits. We can also link a system frame with an amplifier to empty system frames. So from one amplifier we can have up to 64 speaker circuits from it. The new modular amplifier, very easy to use, lightweight. We have 3 versions in this range: 150 watt, 300 watt and 500 watt. So very lightweight, and obviously D-class amplification means it's very power efficient. The frames come empty and you just buy the amplifiers you require, so installation is very quick and simple. It's literally just slot the amplifier in, do the screw up, plug it in, and that's the installation complete. So for building your systems, maintenance, changing amplifiers, expanding, it's very, very quick and simple. System configuration allows 1,024 messages, 128 audio buses and 256 microphones on the system. One of the new microphones within the range is the RM300, very similar to previous microphones but being slightly updated. Each unit has 4 audio inputs, so we have 256 audio inputs. Every unit has control inputs and control outputs as required for voice evacuation requirements, fully monitored. Each piece of equipment is 24 volts powered, and we can link that to our VX-3000 DS charger, which allows very simple, easy configuration with battery backup. So a system, there's very few components, but it's a very, very flexible and powerful system.